Beachside. This one goes out to the queen bee herself, Rosi Ni Tebara, the girl who shine bright than the morning star. First time I saw you, girl, you blew my mind. Standing by the ocean, sunlight in your eyes. Nikaya oile yoko, idu ana angel. Your beauty made the whole place shine. Your smile was golden, sweeter than the sea breeze. My heart went boom boom, dropping to my knees. I whispered softly, most might have dreams of my acordina. Seeing you felt like reality. Rosi Ni Tebara, my queen bee, girl, you're shining like a star right in front of me. It's a lane, no go down, no money, can you hear my plea? I was dreaming, but now it feels like reality. Rosi Ni Tebara, oh ikoga nukila. Your sweetness touched my soul like a sweet reggae rhythm. Standing by the beach waves talking to me, saying boy, this love is meant to be. You walk past slowly, breeze dancing in your hair. Arakaisega ni rawa ni dao tugake. I wanted to call you, girl, I wanted to say, stay by my side, don't you walk away. Your footsteps in the sand, like heaven on the shore, had me thinking love was knocking on my door. Every wave that crashed was singing your name. Queen bee, girl, you set my heart aflame. Rosi Ni Tebara, my queen bee, you're glowing like the moon above the Coral Sea. Nakubula binaka, you're the melody of a dream that will never come to be. Rosi Ni Tebara, talega meo tukuna. You're the angel that I prayed for silently. Standing by the beach, your spirit calling me, and now I feel this love was meant to be. Oile Rosi, we gonna know kuseni come. Girl, you make my heart say wow, wow, wow. Oh. Queen bee, baby, you're the sweetest honey. Come closer, girl, don't you run from me. Fodo maina kali, let's ride the wave. Love so strong, even the ocean quake. Hold my hand, let the night unfold. Queen bee, girl, your love is gold. Rosi Ni Tebara, my queen bee, brighter than a star, you were made for me. Isa lay daru sota sa makalaylay. That